boat on display today is a 2005 Supra Launch 22 SSV. This is a boat I know pretty well. I've known the vendor for quite a few years now. This is a freshwater boat in beautiful condition. Let's get into it and have a peek. This 22 SSV is in absolutely spectacular condition. There is no fading on the gel coat whatsoever. The trailer has zero fading. The black shows it shine beautifully. It really doesn't show a whole lot in terms of stone chips, little to no corrosion. This vessel shows super well. You can see the stainless steel fenders, which was an upgrade for those trailers. And same thing on the transom. It's got your usual little nicks from putting on your board on the staging area, but all in all, beautiful shine, shows really well. And you've got your trim plate on the back. All the underwater running gear shows really well. Prop looks brand new. This thing is really good real estate. You can see your transom light there. And on the sun deck shows really well. There is a bit of cracking on the sides, but it's something that can easily be redone with a bit of upholstery work. This boat is clearly a garage kept boat. You can tell by how well it's been maintained. Upholstery in the cockpit shows really well. Huge sound system. So 4 tower speakers, 4 in-boat speakers, as well as a subwoofer and a massive amp to power it. Boat's also equipped with a couple of batteries. Check out this upholstery. For 2005, this thing shows super well. And your functions, wake plate gauge, ballast switches, trim switch on the steering column, Kenwood deck, and full instrumentation, along with depth sensor. Nice full walkthrough, nice big bow. Again, upholstery in perfect condition. You can see the gel is absolutely spectacular. I made the mistake of stepping on the gel with my socks on, and you can tell the owner waxes it regularly. It's extremely slippery. Now for one of the best parts of the boat. This boat has had a recent engine upgrade 37 hours ago. This boat received a brand new engine fitted by a marine technician who specializes in ski and wakeboard boats. And again, only 37 hours. This boat, there is a warranty available for this boat. But you can see it's all in good order. Clearly a freshwater boat. So as you can see, this 2005 Supra 22 SSV is in spectacular condition. Definitely well worth a look. Give me a call, Patrick, Coastal Boat Sales, 0427 162 749, or you can email me at patrick@coastalboatsales.com.au.